Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use green screen on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut PC, and first of all, I'm going to add green screen video to this CapCut project. I'm going to add green screen from stock materials in CapCut. I'm just going to use, for example, this one. Okay, I'm going to download it first, and I'm gonna add this green screen to my project. I'm going to overlay it on my video. Okay, and if we want to remove this green screen, we can go to the remove background option, and you can select chroma key. Okay, and choose color picker, and you have to pick the green color. Okay, click on the color picker and then select the green color. Okay, and then you can increase the intensity and the shadow as well, and this is the result. Alright guys, then that's all the way to use green screen on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.